Hello students, welcome to Saurabh's classes. My name is Ashmita and in today's class we are going to discuss about the paper 1 and paper 2, that is the optional paper of mathematics under WBCS, that is the West Bengal Civil Services optional paper. हम लोग पहले ही syllabus के बारे में थोड़ा सा details में जान लेते हैं. Let us start with paper 1 and here you will definitely get a section on linear algebra and there you can expect questions from vector spaces over R and C, then linear dependence and independence, subspaces, bases, dimension, then the existence of basis for finite dimensional vector spaces, then deletion and replacement theorem, linear transformations, rank and nullity, the matrix of a linear transformation, then algebra of matrices, row and column reduction, echelon form, congruences and similarity, then rank of a matrix, inverse of a matrix, solution of a system of linear equations, then eigenvalues and eigenvectors, then characteristic polynomial, then Cayley-Hamilton theorem, then topics like Euclidean space, Gram-Schmidt orthogonalization, then symmetric, skew-symmetric, Hermitian, then skew-Hermitian, orthogonal and unitary matrices and their eigenvalues, quadratic forms, diagonalization of symmetric matrices. Second section of paper 1 of mathematics optional will deal with real analysis, and there's another section called real analysis, so I would term this section as real analysis part 1, and here you can expect questions from real number system as an ordered field with the least upper bound property, then sequences, limit of a sequence, Cauchy sequence, then completeness of real line, series and its convergence, then absolute and conditional convergence of series of real and complex terms, then rearrangement of series, open sets, limit points, closed sets, Bolzano-Weierstrass theorem, then functions of a real variable, limits, continuity, intermediate value theorem, differentiability, Rolle's theorem, mean value theorem, higher order differentiation, then Leibniz formula, Taylor's theorem with remainders, L'Hospital's rule, maxima and minima, asymptotes, then envelopes. Now we are moving over to the section of real analysis part 2, and here you can expect questions from compact sets, nested interval theorem, Heine-Borel theorem, then uniform continuity of functions, then properties of continuous functions on compact sets, then Riemann integration, Riemann's definition of definite integrals, Darbach's theorem, indefinite integrals, fundamental theorems of integral calculus, improper integrals, then sequences and series of functions, uniform convergence, term by term differentiation and integration, then power series, Cauchy-Hadamard test, Weierstrass approximation theorem, that is statement only, and Fourier series. Next, there is a section known as analytic geometry, and here you can expect questions based on Cartesian and polar coordinates in 2 and 3 dimensions, and transformation of rectangular axes, then straight lines, conic sections, circle, parabola, ellipse, then hyperbola and pair of straight lines, then second degree equations in 2 variables, then reduction to canonical forms and classification of conics, tangents and normals to conic sections, then planes in 3 dimensions, shortest distance between 2 skew lines, then second degree equations in 3 variables, reduction to canonical forms, sphere, cone, cylinder, paraboloid, ellipsoid, hyperboloid of 1 and 2 sheets, tangent planes and normals, then surfaces of revolution. The next part will deal with differential equations, and here you can expect questions from formulation and differential equations, then equations of first order and first degree, then integrating factor, orthogonal trajectory, equations of the first order but not of first degree, Clairaut's equation, then singular solution, then second and higher order linear equations with constant coefficients, then complementary function, particular integral and general solution, then second order linear equations with variable coefficients, then Euler-Cauchy equation, determination of complete solution when one solution is known using the method of variation of parameters. You can also get questions on Laplace and inverse Laplace transform and their properties, then Laplace transforms of elementary functions. Questions are also there based on application to initial value problems for second order linear equations with constant coefficients, then formation of partial differential equations, then solutions of first order PDE, Lagrange's method and Charpit's method. You will also get questions from statics, that is equilibrium of a system of coplanar forces, then astatic equilibrium, stability of equilibrium, then equilibrium of forces in 3 dimensions, work and potential energy, then friction, principle of virtual work. Then there is this section known as particle dynamics, and here you can expect questions from rectilinear motion, then simple harmonic motion, damped harmonic oscillation, then the motion of a particle in a plane, work and energy, conservation of energy, orbits under central forces, then planetary motion and Kepler's laws, then artificial satellite. Now we are moving on to paper 2. Now we are going to discuss about the syllabus of maths optional paper 2. Let us start with classical algebra. Here you can expect questions on prime numbers, existence of infinitely many primes, then relatively prime integers, congruence, Chinese remainder theorem, Fermat's theorem, complex numbers, De Moivre's theorem, complex functions, polynomial with real coefficients, then the fundamental theorem of algebra, the relation between roots and coefficients, symmetric functions of roots, Descartes' rule of sign, Cardan's method of solving a cubic equation, then Ferrari's method of solving a biquadratic equation, binomial equations and special roots, then inequalities, that is AM is greater than equal to GM, that is greater than equal to HM, and their generalizations, then Cauchy-Squart's inequality. The next section in paper 2 deals with abstract algebra, and here you can expect questions from sets and relations, then equivalence relations, groups, subgroups, cyclic groups, cossets, Lagrange's theorem, normal subgroups, quotient groups, homomorphism of groups, basic isomorphism theorems, then permutation groups, Cayley's theorem, then rings, subrings and ideals, then homomorphisms of rings, integral domains, principal ideal domains, Euclidean domains, and unique factorization domains. Then polynomial rings, based sums, then fields, quotient fields, finite fields for prime P. There is another section in this paper 2 which is dealing with multivariate calculus and vector analysis, and here you can expect questions from vector valued functions of one real variable, then continuity and differentiability, then velocity and acceleration, then functions of 2 or 3 variables, limits, continuity, then directional derivative, partial derivatives, then Jacobian, then chain rule, higher order partial derivatives, then Euler's theorem, maxima and minima, Lagrange's methods of multipliers, then double and triple integrals, areas and volumes, scalar and vector fields, then differentiation of vector fields, gradient, divergence and curl, higher order derivatives, then vector identities and vector equations, line integral, surface integral, Green's theorem and Stokes' theorem. The next section in paper 2 deals with metric space and complex analysis. Now here you can expect questions from metric spaces, then open sets and closed sets, then Cauchy sequence and convergence, then completeness, total boundedness, compactness, continuity, uniform continuity, connectedness, then separable metric spaces, and Bayer category theorem, then EP spaces, extended complex planes, stereographic projection. Then you will also get questions on differentiability of complex functions. You will also get questions on differentiability of complex functions, then Cauchy-Riemann equations, analytic functions, harmonic functions, the relation between analytic and harmonic functions. The next section deals with numerical analysis and computer programming. Now here you can expect questions from numerical analysis, that is interpolation, then Newton's forward and backward interpolation, Lagrange's interpolation, a solution of algebraic and transcendental equations of one variable by bisection, then fixed point iteration, regular Falsian Newton-Raphson methods, then solution of system of linear equations by Gaussian elimination and Gauss-Seidel methods. You will also get questions on numerical integration, that is trapezoidal rule, then Simpson's 1/3 rule, then Gaussian quadrature formula, the numerical solution of ordinary differential equations, then Picard, Euler, Runge, Kata method. You will also get questions on computer programming, positional number system, binary, octal, decimal and hexadecimal systems. You will get questions on binary arithmetic, conversion to and from decimal systems, algorithms and flowcharts के ऊपर questions, then important features, ideas about complexities of the algorithm, then applications in simple problems, Boolean algebra, Huntington postulates for Boolean algebra, then algebra of sets and switching algebra as examples of Boolean algebra, then duality principle, disjunctive normal and conjunctive normal forms of Boolean expressions, then design of simple switching circuit, then programming using C. Now there is another section known as probability and statistics. Now here you will get questions from probability, classical and frequency definitions of probability, then axioms of probability, multiplication rule of probabilities, then conditional probability, Bayes theorem, independent events, Bernoulli trials, and binomial law. Probability distribution, then distribution function of one variable, transformation of random variables, two-dimensional probability distributions, that is uniform and normal. Then there are questions on transformation of random variables, marginal and conditional distributions, then mathematical expectation, that is mean, variance, moments, central moments, then skewness and kurtosis, median, mode, quartiles, moment generating function, then characteristic function, covariance, correlation coefficient, conditional expectation, then regression curves, least square regression lines and parabolas, then chi-square and t-distributions and their important properties, then Chebyshev's inequality, convergence and probability, statements of Bernoulli's limit theorem, and you can get questions from law of large numbers, then statement of the central limit theorem, then statistics के ऊपर भी questions मिलेगा, that is sample characteristic and their computation, then sampling distributions of the sample, mean and variance, then sampling distributions of the sample, mean and variance, then estimation of parameters, then method of maximum likelihood, then interval estimation for parameters of normal population, then bivariate samples, sample correlation coefficient, then least square regression lines and parabolas, then statistical hypothesis, simple and composite hypothesis. Then we'll also get questions from the best critical region of a text, that is Neyman-Pearson theorem, then its applications to the normal population, then likelihood ratio testing and its application to the normal population. Now the next section will deal with linear programming, and linear programming के ऊपर आपको questions मिलेगा from linear programming problems. From linear programming you can get questions from linear programming problems, then graphical method of solutions, hyperspace, convex sets, extreme points, then basic solution, basic feasible solution and optimal solution, then fundamental theorem of LPP, simplex method, duality, transportation and assignment problems. So if you want to really score well in your examinations and if you really want to crack it in one go itself, because mathematics एक बहुत ही scoring subject होता है if you are really well acquainted with it, of course. So अगर आपको अच्छे से guidance चाहिए and you need regular preparation, like rigid preparation, then you need to join Saurabh's classes. और हम यहाँ पे आपको सभी solved study materials provide करेंगे, and we will solve the previous year's question papers, then sample papers, unsolved papers, and also हमारे यहाँ पे regular classes होता है, online offline classes होता है, and also we provide you with live classes, recorded lectures access, that is 24/7 portal access to the enrolled candidates. We also provide you with scholarship facilities, mock test facilities, crash course facilities. So do join our classes to get all the benefits. And moreover, here we teach for all kinds of competitive examinations and all kinds of entrance examinations. So do join our classes and get all the benefits. So that was all for today's class. We are going to meet once again in our next classes.